Hello all, welcome to BusyBee's channel. Today we are going to see how to introduce numbers to the little ones in Montessori way. Today I will show you how to teach numbers and introduce numbers to the little ones in Montessori way. First let me tell you what is Montessori. They will touch, feel and they will learn. Okay, let us see how to teach numbers in Montessori way. It's quite expensive to learn in Montessori way, but here we can do it with the things which we have at home. Usually, most of us will be having the building blocks at home. Let's learn the introduce the numbers using the building blocks. Okay, yeah. Hope you all can see this. Here I have taken a few building blocks. I have already arranged it, but before arranging it, you can involve your kids to arrange the same. See how I have arranged. First, the tower. In Montessori way, we used to teach like bars. The numbers are will be given in a bar shapes. So I took the building blocks for instead of the bars. So here I have arranged like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here you have 10 blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The first bar in the first tower we have 10 blocks. We have 10 blocks, that is 10, number 10. You can introduce like this. So let's start from number 1. Number 1 is number 1. Here you have only one building block. I kept only one building block. It says number 1. When the child touch, feel and then put the block in the place, so it will learn what is number 1 easily. Because when they learn by touching, feeling, then they will learn it very quickly and they will never ever forget it. That is the key point of Montessori way of teaching. The first bar has one block, so that is 1 and 1, 2. You can do the same thing to your child as well. So the next number is number 2. Ask them to pick 2 blocks from the lot and ask them to arrange it like this. And then ask them to pick 3 blocks. So you can introduce, they will learn to count as well by simultaneously. They will learn to count as well, like 1, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. Like this, you can ask them to arrange from 1 to 10. First, let's introduce from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. First, let's not go directly to till 10. You can make them to do till 1 to 5, the beginning stage for the beginners. So when they touch, as I said, when they touch, feel and they learn, they will never ever forget it. Believe it, parents. And also, by teaching in this way, you can inculcate so many concepts of math, like 1 and 1, 2. You can introduce the size. They will learn the size that 1 is lesser than 2 and 2 is greater than 1. It's more than 1. If we want to make 2, then they have to pick 2 blocks. So we have to take more. Then we have to then introduce the number 3. So they have to pick even more blocks compared to 2. So the comparison also they will learn, and they will learn the concept of less and more, greater than and lesser than. You can teach them. Then they will learn the concept how it works instead of just teaching them in a traditional way 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you introduce the numbers in such a way, simultaneously they will learn other concepts as well. Like they will learn they have to take 1 block to make 1 and 2 blocks which is more than 1, that is greater than 1, and 3, then they have to pick more, and 4, for 4 they have to pick even more blocks, and for 5 they have to pick even more. In such a way you can introduce the concept of small, big and lesser than, greater than, all this concept. And also we can teach, see the length of this, the 1 and 2 is little tall, and then 1 is shorter than 2 and 2 is shorter than, in the lengthwise the measurement, it grows, it keeps growing. You can teach this concept also. The size, look at the size of the blocks. Look at the size of the blocks. The number 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, and slowly you can introduce number 3. Then you can number 6. Then you can ask them to, okay, now let's move on to the next number, that is number 6. Pick 6 blocks for me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then put it in the place. Now see, is 5 is bigger than 4. 5 is greater than 4. Now here comes 6. Which is tall among them? Which is tall among them? Which is the bigger one? Which is the smaller one? All these concepts we can introduce by in playway method. They will also enjoy and learn. You can involve them. There is a saying like, teach me. See, there is a saying called, tell me and I forget. Teach me and I remember. But involve me and I learn. This is the way of Montessori teaching. You will be involving the kids. You will be involving the kids where they learn. This is the real learning. The concept wise you have to teach them and they will be learning if they are learning in a Montessori way. This is the advantage and this is a big benefit for the children. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then you can ask them, go pick 6 blocks. 7 blocks. Now we are in 7. Now 7 blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now tell me, you can question the children. You can start questioning them. Which is the smallest block? Which is smaller in height? Which is the shortest tower here? You can call it as tower or bar. Which is the shortest tower here? Which is the longest tower here? Which is the second shortest? Which is the second tallest? Like that. And then number 9. You can ask them to bring 9 blocks and you can do it. And here one block is missing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now like this you can arrange and you can involve them. They will also learn, enjoy, learn. Okay, they will also understand lot of concepts, multiple concepts, not only the numbers. They will learn greater than, lesser than. They will learn which is tall, short. You can also teach the opposite words like tall, short, and which is bigger and smaller, which is the biggest one and the smallest one. All those things, when they touch, feel and learn, really you will see the magic and wonders how they are learning. So let's try and comment me how it works. Okay. So as I said earlier, the Montessori way of teaching focuses on the skill development, that is key development of the children. Those who are in the age group from 2.5 years to 5 years at their early age, how we can teach the concepts in a funful way, how they learn through joy, how they can enjoy the joy of learning and all those things. Okay, try this method and please do comment me how it works with your kids. And stay home, stay safe, stay knowledgeable. And as we all work from home, let them learn from home. Bye. Take care.